Hey guys, so as regarding the Blackview BL9000 5G rugged phone, I have managed to get majority of its top specs and features, and these features are official, okay? If you want to get the latest tech updates, news like this, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this upcoming 5G phone from Blackview is going to be competing with the likes of the Doji V30 Pro, the Oukitel WP30 Pro, and the Unihertz Tank 3. The device has a really nice design, and of course it's also one of the few rugged phones with a rear display. So this device is going to be powered by the Dimensity 8020 processor, which is an octa-core 6nm processor with a clock speed of up to 2.6 GHz, and it is paired with the Mali G77 MP9 GPU. And also this rugged phone would feature a 50MP primary camera. Now do not confuse this camera with the Samsung ISOCELL GN1, because this camera is the Samsung ISOCELL GN5 as opposed to the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 that was designed for almost any smartphone ranging from budget to flagship. The GN5 is a flagship tier sensor. According to its details, the GN5 has a 1.0 micron pixel size, and of course it has other features like dual tetrapixel RGB Bayer pattern. So this sensor is a lot superior to the ISOCELL GN1. The GN1 supports up to 4K videos at 60 FPS, that's its max capability, while the GN5 supports 8K videos at 30 FPS. So it's definitely a much more superior sensor. So other features of this device includes a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display, but the refresh rate is 120Hz, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, which is very impressive. This is the first rugged phone to have its display protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, in case you guys do not know. This device is also one of the few rugged phones with a rear display that is of course customizable. The battery capacity of this device is 8800 mAh, that's 8800 mAh, and it supports 120 watts super fast charging. The device utilizes 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup. I mentioned earlier that the primary sensor is a 50MP sensor. It is a Samsung GN5 sensor. The other sensor is a 13MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 50MP. The device supports Wi-Fi 6, features a side mounted fingerprint scanner. It is also going to run on the Android 13 operating system with Blackview's latest custom skin on top, which is the DocOS 4.0. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are some of the top features of the Blackview BL9000. As you can see, it's a very nice rugged phone. I believe it's going to be released in 2024, that's next year. But of course, anytime it is released, I'll update you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So what do you guys think about the smartphone? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.